Customer Experience Analytics versus CRM Analytics platforms. Which one is better for retention strategies? Most companies focus solely on CRM Analytics to understand customers, but here's the surprising truth: Customer Experience Analytics and CRM Analytics platforms offer different insights, and picking the right tool can dramatically boost retention. Customer Experience Analytics tools like Qualtrics, Medallia or Totango analyze the entire customer journey across touchpoints: website interactions, product usage, support tickets and surveys. For example, a subscription service can track where users drop off, identify pain points in onboarding, and predict churn. These platforms excel at understanding customer sentiment and behavior in real time, allowing teams to act before problems escalate. CRM Analytics platforms such as Salesforce Analytics, HubSpot Reports, or Zoho Analytics focus on data within the CRM system: sales activity, account interactions, pipeline trends, and customer demographics. For instance, a B2B company can identify which accounts have high engagement but low repeat purchases, then target retention campaigns. CRM Analytics excels at providing actionable insights tied to specific customer accounts and sales activities. The key difference is scope versus transactional insight. Customer Experience Analytics provides a holistic, journey-focused view, while CRM Analytics focuses on account-level data and operational metrics. Many organizations combine both, using Experience Analytics to understand overarching behavior and CRM Analytics to inform personalized retention actions. The takeaway is simple: if your goal is to reduce churn and improve long-term satisfaction, Customer Experience Analytics is essential. If your goal is to track account-specific trends and optimize engagement strategies, CRM Analytics is the better choice. The surprising truth is that when these tools work together, businesses gain a complete picture of customer behavior, allowing teams to retain more clients while delivering exceptional experiences at every touch point.